Hi guys, welcome back to the another live stream. I hope you guys are doing great and catching some beautiful trades today. Though it's Friday. Okay, so let's see what's happening in Euro USD. It's Friday, that means it's almost gonna be very slow. Okay, let's see what's happening. Okay, so it's giving the rejection from the area that was um, this fair value gap. Let's come to the 4 hour time frame. So the market already tapped into this fair value gap, which is bearish, and the market already. Okay, so on the 4 hour time frame, if you see that we are in the bearish trend, but if you see on the 4 hour time frame, we have a lot of liquidity that is still needs to be grabbed above. Okay, let's look on the 1 hour time frame. So what I can see is that the market, the yesterday's which we were aiming yesterday, the liquidity pool that we were aiming yesterday, this it already entered into this zone, which was a good buying zone. This was 1 hours. Right. Okay. So most probably I will aim for the bearish trade. Why? That's because if we see on the 1 hour time frame, it already broke the structure for the downside, and we made a liquidity trend line that is over here. How much pips did we reject it for? 2 pips. So this is the trade that I'm gonna take. It's already been activated right over here. Let's see. If you guys are not activated, you can place your sell limit right over on this FVG. But yeah, I would be definitely in the cells. Let's see if this fair value gap is formed. I'm gonna take then another position in that. Okay, so let me place my stop loss. Could be around 1.15 885. Okay, and my TP would be 1.15 485. Okay, all set. Let me put this also 1.1. 485 and my stop loss 1.15 885. Perfect. Okay, let's see. Hey, it's Friday Freaky. Yeah, it's Freaky Friday today. Let's see how it goes, how the position works. Though, yesterday, it tapped into the level that we were planning to buy. But again, I feel that, okay, so 1 hour I feel it's flipping. Let's see, daily. Four hour, okay. So let's see. Though it made a trendline liquidity over here, but still, I feel that 4 hours has been already flipped, guys. So it could be a dicey situation right now. And 1 hour also flipped, so might be we can hit our stop losses today. This 5 minute candle is looking super bullish. Let's see. Don't worry, EU, due to news not coming, it's crazy. Yeah, exactly, because there's no news because of US government shutdown. It's doing whatever it wants. But again, we are trying to trade. This rejection feels good, but let's see. If I put my fib right over from here to here, the 50% level is right over here. Okay. Even if it retraces to 61% level, then we are cooked. But again, let's see. It's rejection from 30%, 38%. It reflipped again. Let's see, chat, what happens today. T pure asset. Anyways, we're gonna take it. And this rejection feels good. But again, it's Friday because I don't trust Fridays. It almost consolidate whole day either and give TP like late at night in the NY session. So let's see on the 1 minute time frame what's happening. I feel the market structure is still bearish. So here was an imbalance right over here, which market came slowly and made a trend line liquidity self-generated, and uh, now we are watching a move. Fridays are always consolidation, so I didn't trust this wiki move that it gave. So it's rejecting from the bearish fair value gap which was here, and overall, the 4 hour is still bearish until it makes a reversal or retracement. Let's see. You had one loss on your prop, right? Still the win rate is going good. Yeah, till now I had one loss on my prop firm challenge, which is going on right now. I feel, yeah, the win rate is going good. from when you started full-time trading. Full-time trading I started almost last year, like mid last year. Let's see today's consolidation zone. Okay, so I can see that daily is kind of flipping. If it flips, it would be very good for us. The 4 hour is also looking bearish. If I come on the 1 hour time frame, we are going good. Okay, how many pips we have already captured? Okay, so we have got almost like 7 pips. This was the trend line liquidity that is being taken out. Let's see if we can get the TP today, because I never trust Fridays. Fridays are almost very slow and they're like very less volatile. And on the top of that, we are having no news these days because of the US government shutdown. And but we missed the yesterday's move. It was pretty good. Wait, nine. Yeah, this was the candle. So we planned yesterday's trade right over here, which was uh, something like this. I wanted to have my entry right over here, but instead, I thought that I will not take a rush entry, which was supposed to be here. But if it tapped right over here, we almost like had 20 pips. Even the move was so big that if you have hold it this straight, we would have captured almost like more than 80 pips. So it was a win rate yesterday. But the thing was, we didn't tapped and got the entry. But there was a rush entry that was I didn't took. Yesterday was awesome. Exactly, yesterday's move was crazy. So I'm doubting today that the London session will be consolidating, because it usually do like that on the Friday especially. So let's hope that. We get the move. It's almost 1224. Yesterday I traded GBP JPY. It was on a sell side from 203.975. It gave a good target. Now I exited around 203.00. Got a decent target to 1 ratio to risk to reward. That's great. I mean, yesterday's move was good, and I'm glad that you captured that trade. GBP JPY. I usually don't trade GBP JPY because I feel okay. So you took from 203,975 somewhere from here. Gone 42. It was a good move, though it was a bit slow, I feel. But that's good that you captured this trade. I usually feel that if I trade GBP JPY, I feel it was it is always lost for me, so I just avoid this pair. But all I can see right now is that Euro USD on 15 minutes time frame, it's flipping. The candle of 15-minute time frame is flipping. We gotta wait. Good, GJ is good for me. That's good. Like if it works for you, well and good, right? Because it depends usually upon your strategy, even how good it's working with which pair. Actually, ma'am, I think if you come live on 6 p.m., you would get these kind of one-sided moves in the morning. And this time, every pair usually taps the market, works in tapping move. 6 p.m. actually, I don't trade New York session for now because of my schedule to come live. So I feel very comfortable with this time, like London session for trading. Especially I trade EU like in the London session because I feel London session is good for the EU and it gives like decent movement in EU in this time. But I will try that soon. I'll try to even cover the New York session. Then I would be probably trading Nasdaq or something like that in that because I don't think so. EU works very well in the New York session. But yes, if there's a news or something like that, then we can see some choppy movement in the morning. But usually the move comes like in the London session. I feel and many viewers are also like comfortable joining in the New York session as well. I tested first. I used to trade in the morning and I had low accuracy and hitting my SL left right. After I started trading in New York session, my accuracy increased. That's good because it depends, right, upon your strategy that how you're trading. So if your sometimes your strategy can work well in the New York session, and it depends which pair also you are trading. Like for example, gold do works very well in the New York session. It has especially like the kill zone for Euro USD. I feel the kill zone is 11:30 to 12:30 and 12:30 to 1:30 almost. So the kill zones are specially designed for a movement that we can capture properly. But that's wonderful that you found out that your accuracy is more increased in New York session. So you should always stick on what's working for you. And let's see what it does. It made equal highs on the 1 minute time frame. There's also a liquidity level right over here. I'm from the business stream. It's completed. How old are you guys? I don't even know. How old are my viewers? Let's see. It's on daily time frame. I feel it might flip. It's possible that it flips today. On 1 hour time frame. So 50%, if it rejects from 50% level, then we're good. But from 61% level, it might hit our TSL then. Okay. It's quite choppy for today, I must say. I'm in the sense because if you see, there was an imbalance right over here, small imbalance, which this market came slowly upside, and it made a liquidity trend line right over here. So whenever the liquidity trend line is made, it's always being taken out from the next move. I'm 25 but still learning. Okay. I'm 25 years old. I trade Indian markets. Also, I do swing trading there with 1 lakh capital. And I started trading funded accounts, took a 5k funded account. Wow, that's impressive. Like I've seen very less people these days like trading Indian market. That's wonderful. I mean, then you're doing absolutely very good if you're trading with the live capital. I hope that you guys, everybody, clear your funded accounts. So I guess it's already been 12:40 and I do live till 12:30. But again today, tomorrow, no, on Monday, I think. Monday I'll try to join early because I don't know, I just never comes up on time. I hope you guys join on Monday on 11:30 to 12:30, and we'll let this trade run and I'll update you guys on the Discord or maybe on the Instagram. You can join my Instagram and Discord. You can discuss some ideas if you want to, guys. And also, if you guys are interested in hosting the New York session, you can just text me on Discord so we can plan something that we can run the channel on Discord so we can come live together and share our ideas with it. Happy that sessions are interactive and get to connect. Yeah, exactly. I mean, the stream should not be boring, right? It's good that people can connect with each other to the same field, you know. Actually, I believe in diversifying my income source and around different instruments. So I trade both the funded account as well as my live 1 lakh capital in Indian market. That's perfect. I mean, that's the strategy you should approach for like diversifying. Never ever rely on the one source of income and your way to go then. That's really impressive. With funded accounts, even it's very advantageous by like you can test and try what's working and everything, and until then you can when you find your edge what's working for you, then you can just directly put the live capital and trade on it. Man, great live session. Thanks you. I mean, it means a lot to me when people like interact with me and uh they feel valued with it. Like, I'm happy about that. Well, I must leave now. And thank you so much. Thank you, Crypto World, and thank you, Suman. It was lovely discussing with you guys, and I'll see you on Monday. And I hope that you guys have a lovely weekend and you guys capture some good trades today. See you on Monday, and I'll update you guys about this trade on my Discord channel. And thank you so much for joining in. And let's grow, let's trade together.